welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make leftover idli pakoda. This is a very delicious and instant snack recipe. You can easily make use of the leftover idlis. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixer jar, add 4 idlis. Grind this well. Transfer to a mixing bowl. To this, add 1 cup of besan or gram flour, half cup of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida or hing, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 green chillies chopped, few chopped curry leaves and few chopped coriander leaves. Mix all the ingredients well. Then start to add little water at a time and knead it well. You're looking for a chapati dough consistency. You need to mash all the ingredients well so that the flavors of the onion, curry leaves, coriander leaves and the spices come together very well. Now the ingredients have come together very well, so pull out a small portion and keep it ready. Heat some oil in an iron pot. When the oil is hot, fry the pakodas in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. Now the oil bubbles have settled and the pakodas are nice and crispy, so let's now remove them. Now a delicious leftover idli pakoda is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, crispy, easy and an instant snack recipe. So do try this leftover idli pakoda recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.